the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down everywhere. When we remember giants, by the rivers of Babylon, we sat down everywhere. When we remember giants, when the weekend carries us away, captivity required from us. How shall we sing the Lord's song in our strength? When the weekend carries us away, captivity required from us. Thank you. Oh, how shall the wisdom in our strength? One more. That's the words of our mouth and the mighty destiny of our heart. Be acceptable in the sight here tonight. That's the words